Hi everyone. Hi. I think I'll start with the first question. How many of us here know how to drive? We are talking about preparedness when we talk about being behind the wheel. I have been in a situation where I was stuck because of a car issue, right? So whether it's a flat tire, whether it's a warning light that I did not understand, and what I fear the most, when the car refuses to start. So how many of us have been in such situations? Idea of this workshop is to be well prepared and confident when we are behind the wheel. Alright, so the first thing we are going to deal with is a flat tire. First thing is, we are going to loosen the bolts of the flat tire, then place the jack and lift the car. Now we are going to, of course, take out the bolts, take out the flat tire, replace the wheel, tighten the bolts, bring down the car. And you are ready to go. That's it. The next simple but very important thing is checking the engine oil. So how do you check? You can take out the dipstick, pull it out, wipe it clean, and then dip it back so that you can see the correct marking or the level of engine oil, and then of course you have to top it up as required. One underrated feature for a safe drive is a clean windshield. We have to ensure the windshield is clean. For that, the washer wiper liquid needs a check. This is the one. Just open it. Pouring in clean water. And that's it. So next we are going to talk about a situation where the car breaks down, right? So what's the first step? Do not panic, right? If it's possible, pull over the vehicle to the side of the road. Take out the warning triangle, pull the handbrake, turn on the hazard lights. And then look for the RSA number that's there on the vehicle. So roadside assistance number given on the vehicle, that shall be helpful. And that's about it. It's that easy to handle a breakdown.
The workshop was amazing.
The workshop was great. Actually, this was great, which was needed.
It was very insightful.
Yes, of course, I do. At least after this workshop, I know what all the steps I have to take care.
I think it would be challenging, but I would be able to manage myself. I have plenty of tricks up my sleeves now.
I gained a very nice hands-on experience about emergency situations.
Actually tried a few things during this workshop, and now I am even more confident about handling myself on the road. Yes, I am pretty confident about it.
I'm feeling pretty confident now, and I cannot wait to go on a solo trip all by myself with the things I got to learn today.